You can download the art seen in the video for free, link in the description. To change the mouse cursor into a custom image, the most simplest method involves going to Project Settings, then Mouse Cursor, and selecting the folder icon for the custom image and selecting your mouse. From here, you can also change the hotspot of where the click actually occurs, as well as set an offset for any tooltips that you have on your UI. And the limits of doing it this way is that the image can only be a maximum of 256 by 256 pixels, and you can't change scale of the mouse cursor or do any cool effects. For that, you can instead create a new scene, use a Sprite 2D node as a core, add the mouse texture you can download for free, link in the description. Then we'll go to offset and set it to 150 by 180. So that way the spot where the click occurs is correct. From here, we can then set position, rotation, and scale. You can also add extra nodes as children for more customization. Go to Scene Save As, and save it. Then add a script to the sprite. Inside the script, we will first hide the real mouse cursor in the built-in ready function. Keep in mind that we are still using the regular mouse cursor for actual mouse-based interactions. Next, inside the built-in physics process function, we will lerp the global position of the sprite towards the global position of the mouse at a speed of 16.5. We also multiply this by delta to make the lerp frame rate independent. A lerp will simply move the first value towards the second at a speed of the weight. With this complete, we can add any other effects that we might want, such as setting the rotation and scale when we are pressing left click. As for making sure that the mouse appears in front of other game objects, you can either go to the mouse's ordering and set its z-index to the maximum most possible value to ensure that it is in front of all objects with a lesser z-index, or alternatively, inside of your level, add a canvas layer node, make the mouse a child of that canvas layer node. Then inside the canvas layer, make sure that the layer value is as high as possible. Layers are prioritized more when it comes to the drawing order, meaning that a higher layer will render in front of other objects no matter the z-index of the objects within that given layer, as the z-index only matters when compared to other objects within the same layer. Now you have a custom mouse with smooth movement and added polish when you are pressing left click. And don't forget that you can check out the project files, link in the description.